So we finally got the computer situation sorted out with this car, and now I'm ready to drop the fuel injectors in. And I just wanted to take a second. This intake is a pain in the rear end to get off. Let me show you why. There's two brackets right here. There's one bracket right there that holds the intake on, and then there's another one of those brackets right here. And getting to those things is a pain in the rear end. And there's also another bracket back here, right, this bracket right here, and it goes around those two bolts, but then it's bolted down to the head way down in there. Between those two things, it is a pain to get this intake manifold off, but got the throttle body and all the sensors and stuff disconnected, so now it should just pop off. Oh, there we go. Woo, my goodness. Now I can gap the spark plugs and put the new injectors in. How's it going, guys? Thought I'd shoot a quick video just to show you the new shop and some of the cars that we have. So this is the current shop where the dyno is. I've finally got me some little markers on the door so that people can see where the shop is located. But I am also renting those bays right there, right next to the shop, because I'm expanding, because I need more room for cars. So this is an Alfa Romeo Giulia, who is actually owned by the guy helping me out. So I recently hired somebody to help me just a little bit here and there. So I've got four bays, this one and this one. So right now this is Monte Carlo getting a 5.3 engine swap with a 4L60E. And we just moved everything over here. There is Josh. Say hi, Josh.
What's going on, guys?
So we just kind of got everything moved over here actually yesterday, and we're still trying to move in and kind of get situated. So there's the motor. I've got to get that on a stand here pretty soon. This one's getting an engine swap. Got a pretty sweet Fox body up here. It's got some troubles with it, namely that the guy just had a motor put in it, and whoever did the motor actually put a nice hole in the oil pan and then tried to cover it up. So that one is getting an oil pan. It's also getting a Mega Squirt computer, wideband, and a tune. So working on a standalone. Got this guy over here, 2020 Scat Pack. Just got the computer back today. He's getting an exhaust modification and a tune. We'll see how much power that one makes here pretty soon. And then this guy, another Mega Squirt standalone, another tune. And this one is a pretty wild combination. It's a 347 stroker, forged internals, Supercharger, the whole 9 yards. So we'll see how much power this one makes. The guy's hoping for 700, but I don't know. We'll see. So a lot of stuff happening, expanding. Got a new guy on the team helping out every time he can. Got a lot of work going on. Super happy to have a bigger shop to where I don't have to move stuff back and forth. Got another lift, so we got 2 lifts now. We've got places to store cars, so I don't have to cart stuff back and forth to the house. So super excited. Spread the word. The shop is growing.